Another day, another car at Auto Auction Rebuilds. So we got it. $400 came out to $630 out the door. 266,000 miles on the odometer. Look at that sexy car. Sexy car. Oh, man. It feels nice in here. Hey, the power seat works. All right, we're about ready to rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Boy, that sun glare is horrible, isn't it? Look at it. It's like we got an airbag light on the dash, and that's about it. So, the windows work? Yes. That window's, there we go, that window works. Wow, all the windows work. Does the sunroof work? It does. Okay. And you know we gotta check the air conditioning. We'll check the air conditioning later. Let's find out if we can drive it home. So the real test, I guess, we knew it ran, but is the transmission good? The answer is yes. So everything seems to be good to go. It shifts fine, temperature's fine. The radio works. I tested that off camera. The air conditioning works. The heat works. I mean, smooth as silk, man. $630 out the door, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it home. All right, it made it home. No issue at all. So, Copart win number 3. And we got them all right here. We got all the Copart cars right here. I can't complain. You're talking about $630 out the door for high mileage, but good running and driving Acura 3.5RL with 4 practically new looking Michelin tires. You got $415 or something like that out the door for a 2000 Mitsubishi Galant ES that runs and drives great. This one, well, I got to talk to you all about this one. We got to talk about this one. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're going to rebuild it because that's what you guys are here for. I don't know how this is all going to work out, how it's all going to come together, or if I'm even going to be able to make money on this one. We got a lot to talk about on this one. So we'll do a video on this, just this car for you guys. I'm going to stop right there before I get myself in trouble. But there it is. There it is. There you go. How about that? I can't believe it. All the windows work. AC works. The radio works. And it drives, ladies and gentlemen, smooth as silk. I can't believe it. I've always been a little leery of cars with miles like this. Like, that's a lot. That makes me nervous. But, okay, I'll admit the Galant didn't hold up nearly as well as the Acura. All right, but the Galant has 287 or 88,000 miles on that one. All right, that's impressive for a Mitsubishi Galant, and 266 on this one. As good as it runs and drives, I'm just blown away. So I expect that car right there to bring around 12. I don't see why it wouldn't bring 12. This one right here should bring at least 15. At least 15, maybe upwards of 2,000. I think 2,000 is pushing it. I would say between 15 to 18 is what I would expect out of this. Look at the seat. There's not even any wear on the bolsters. The steering wheel, no wear. Wow. That's impressive. And here's the after, ladies and gentlemen. All cleaned up. Got to throw some tire shine on it. You know Tire Shine sells cars, right? I don't know if you know that or not. There it is. How about it? Tim did a heck of a job, man. Heck of a job. And I cleaned up the engine bay. I said I wasn't going to, but I lied. I did it anyway. Hey, it looks better than it did. Hey, look, timing belt was done at 113,000 miles in 07. I don't see another timing belt sticker on this thing anywhere. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. We're trying to bring the battery back to life. The battery's kind of dead as a doornail. Time to show you the finished product. Here it is. Dashboard is all cleaned up. Looking good. Now, wait for the tire shine to dry and take some pictures so that Mike can pick it up and get it on down to the lot. Make some of that money. So that's going to be it for the video, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. I don't know. What do you think? I think we got a great deal. I think this has been I told you that this was a great auction. I knew this was going to be a great auction. Obviously, I can't predict that these cars are going to have good transmissions or that they're going to drive nice and smooth or anything like that. But and I don't know. I got the magic touch. You know what I mean? It's like lately, I've just been bidding on good cars, gold. Except maybe for the 350Z. All right, I'm not gonna talk anymore about that. I bet I got you guys all kinds of concerned about what's going on with the 350. We will talk about that. That's coming, or hell, maybe you've already seen it. I don't know. These videos get put out in such a weird order. Yeah, so there it is. I can't say enough good things about it. It's a $600 running and driving car. It's powerful, it's smooth, it's comfortable, it's got heated seats, and it's just loaded. It's got all the amenities that something from, you know, what, almost 20 years ago would have had. I forgot what year this was. This is it's a 2000. So she's old. And it's barely a 2000 because it's 9 and 99. Yeah, but it's a 2000. Still, 600 bucks. Come on, man. How can you go wrong? Do me a favor. I think this car, personally, even with the miles, as good as it runs and drives, man, I think this thing is easily worth $1,500 to $2,000. Now, where at in between there, I don't know. 15, definitely. I think this thing will pull 1,500 all day long. 2,000, I think that's pushing it. I think you find the right buyer, someone's going to love this car. Someone's going to give $2,000 for it. But here's what I want to know. If you think I can get between 15 and 2,000, give this video a big thumbs up. If you think it's not going to bring that, get a video a thumbs down. And why I said me, I don't know, because it's Mike. This is going down to Mike. He's going to sell it. Let me tell you, Mike is a salesman, man. Go check out Weird Beard. Check out his channel if you're not already subscribed to him. He'll sell it. He'll sell it. He's got the touch when it comes to selling, man. Check out Weird Beard's channel and comment what you think it's going to sell for. And if you don't think it's going to sell for $1,500 to $2,000, go ahead and comment that below. Comment what you think this car is going to bring. And we'll have to come back in a later video and talk about what we actually got out of it. It's a good car, ain't it? Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. 2 cars that are great. 1 car, if nothing else, the 350 will be, I said I wasn't going to talk about it. If nothing else, the 350 is going to be a good project. Okay, I gotta quit. I gotta get out of here. Do me a favor, like the video, big thumbs up, comment below. Thanks to Tim, Weird Beard, Mike, my fiance, Jessica. Thanks to everybody. Thanks to you guys for watching these videos and making this possible. This is great. Who wouldn't love to go out and buy risky cars and drive them home and make money? That's a dream job, man. Dream job. I am literally living my dream, and I'm not even balling yet. I'm balling on a budget, basically, but even if I never get there, I couldn't be happier. It's a great job, and thank all of you for making what I do possible. I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. I will catch you very soon in the next one.